Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI P20 Pro and let me show you how to turn on and off camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. Now we have to focus on capture settings category. Here at the first place we have assistive grid option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off camera grid lines as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. When we move back to camera, we get access to these lines in the preview. This is useful when we want to use the rule of third in photography, for example, or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them we have to move back to camera, right corner settings, tap to assistive grid to turn them off, and for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.